Divya, let's ask that question to the Chief National Spokesperson Priyanka Kakkar. I have with me here. When is Manish Sisodia expected to be released today, ma'am?
It is expected that he'll be released sometime in the evening, later evening today, and we're all excited, happy, grateful to the Honorable Supreme Court that finally this day has come. BJP tried its best, as we all know. They misused their agencies. There was not a penny's recovery after such an extensive raid and search. They amended the laws to the extent that our leaders are incarcerated based on bayans of Bhajpais. No action has been taken against those Bhajpais. 60 crore has been taken from Sharath Reddy, given to the BJP. He was called the kingpin of the so-called liquor mafia. Where is he now? Acquitted, and after he gave 60 crores to BJP. So I'm really hoping that investigation is conducted on the CBI ED officials. I'm hoping that accountability is set. These 17 months were extremely precious for the students of Delhi, for the parents who are part of the education system in Delhi, because Manish Sisodia ji wanted so.
Right.
I really do hope accountability is set and a precedent is set.
Ma'am, with respect to his position and the role that he held here, not just in education but also as the former deputy chief minister, can we expect him to, get back onto these responsibilities after after a while, or when?
These are matters of procedure, and right now we need to celebrate his release for the fake incarceration that he's went through. We will come to the duties also pretty much by tomorrow, I think. So give us time to celebrate, be happy. BJP has failed despite they used all the clout, all the power to delay this release, to defame us, and I guess it's a tight slap on the face of the BJP today.
How do you see this release in the case of the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal as well, with respect to his bail?
He will be out shortly. He has already been granted a regular bail by the PMLA court, which can only happen after satisfying the rigors of Section 45 PMLA, which has been which was revived by the BJP after it was declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court. So he's already been granted bail, regular bail in the PMLA case. He's already been granted bail by the Supreme Court, and then they came up with the CBI case, which won't stand for much long, yes.
All right.